Welcome to UserAndI, the channel where I explore all things UI and UX design, and today we're doing a review of experience booking app Figma. So first things first, we're going to start with what's been done well. I quite like what they've done here with having an element overlapping the side of the screen, as this communicates to the user that there's more to be seen after they interact. I quite like the use of the label here, driving the impulse buyers, letting the user know just how many tickets are left. Really stands out as well amongst all the other elements. See a really good use of icons, each icon supported by a label as well, which really makes things clearer for the user, just in case they're not familiar with the icons. And at the bottom of the screen, we can also see the filter button, which is front and center, scrolls to the page, overlaps the content as well, so at any given point a user can filter the content or filter what they're seeing without having to move too far. Whether you're left-handed or right-handed, this position works really well actually. Now onto the bits that could have been done better. So the same style they've used with the carousels, they could have repeated here. This element should overlap a lot more than it actually does. The fact that it doesn't looks a bit like a mistake on the margins. I think these headers definitely could have been bigger, just so it differentiates it from the rest of the titles on the page, especially because these are section headers. I personally think this area with the highlights is something that a lot of apps are using, but I don't think it really works well here. I think this area could have been used to pull some stuff out of that filters button and actually make this a category section, which saves you a click, to be honest, to find which area that you're looking for. That's it for today's review. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next one.